Hello everyone and welcome to Driving Straight. I am Bharat Gowda. This is the all-new, the ultimate SUV Hyundai Creta. More stylish, more comfort and more powerful with advanced technology features. The previous version of Hyundai Creta was sold more than 4.5 lakh vehicles in India and stayed top at its segment for a very long time. Hyundai brings you this all-new Creta with the bold exterior, and the new masculine stance will set you apart from every other SUV on the road. Starting with the front look of the ultimate SUV Hyundai Creta, the design has been completely changed compared to its previous version. This signature cascading grille with the chrome and the grey treatment gives the car completely a bold appearance. The primary reason why this car looks more stylish is because of this tri-beam headlamp surrounded with this crystal glow LED DRLs. These tri-beam headlamps are first of its kind in this segment, which offers enhanced visibility. This kit plate with the grey treatment all around enhances the sporty look of this car. If you look at the fog lamp and indicators in this car, it is integrated both together here. I feel the indicators could have been integrated with these headlamps. This wider 17-inch diamond cut alloy wheels enhances and boosts the sporty and stylish look of this car. The car is now loaded with great technology features. One of it, the welcome function. This mirror unfolds and folds automatically with puddle lamps on as the driver approaches the car. The ultimate SUV Hyundai Creta is more wider than before. Wider outside, then more space inside the cabin, which makes you more comfortable. Wheelbase of this car is 2160 mm. The integrated rail ropes and this grey treatment give this car an ultimate stance. The rear view of the ultimate SUV Creta has completely new design. The aerodynamic rear spoiler and the shark fin antenna gives a sporty and rugged look. This unique LED tail lamp integrated with this body color treatment makes the car look completely wider. The Hyundai logo here and the Creta badging looks premium. And this car has reverse parking camera here. Also it has 4 parking sensors which makes your parking easy. And this twin-tip exhaust is first in its segment, which gives the car more sporty and high performance appeal. Now quickly let's look at the boot space. The boot space of the car is 433 liters. If you want more space in the rear, it offers 60-40 split seat option. You can choose according to your comfort. The ultimate SUV Creta offers 5 variants and 10 colors with 2 new colors, Galaxy Blue and Red Mulberry, and also 2 dual tone options. The stylish Hyundai Creta has 3 powerful BS6 engine. The 1.5 litre MPI petrol engine which produces 115 PS of power and 144 Nm of torque. For diesel lovers, they have 1.5 litre CRDI diesel engine which produces 115 power and 250 Nm of torque, and the more powerful 1.4 turbo DCT petrol engine with 7 speed which produces 140 PS of power and 242 Nm of torque. The overall exterior look of the car is stylish. Now let's get into the cabin and check out. Inside the cabin, you'll get a new experience here. Everything is premium here, including this dashboard, center console, steering wheel, infotainment system, cluster control. Everything looks sporty and premium. If you start with the dashboard, the build quality of the dashboard looks premium here. This car has completely a black option available for the dashboard with this red accents around the AC vents. Looks premium enough. There is one more option which is beige and grey color for different variant. If you look at the cooled claw box here, Hyundai provides all its car a cooled claw box, and this claw box in particular looks very spacious. Looking at this D-cut steering wheel with leather wrap around it and the stitches makes it look so premium and sporty as well. The steering wheel is integrated with these feather touch buttons where you can answer your calls, voice command option is there, you can control the infotainment system, increase and decrease the volume rockers is available, controlling the instrumental cluster option is also available, and many more features. There is a paddle shifter as well in this car. Overall, it has all the features available in a premium sports car. There is a push start button here, traction control switch, headlamp adjust knob. They have changed this AC vents design for more convenient AC flow. Let's have a quick look of instrumental cluster. It has 7-inch full color display with digital speedometer. It has analog fuel gauge meter and RPM tachometer. In display you get tire pressure monitor, fuel economy, auto headlamp features and many more. Coming to the center console, it's bit tilted towards the driver for more convenient use. AC vents are positioned perfectly. AC control knobs are provided here. It has automatic climate control. This is 10.25-inch HD infotainment system with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and Bluelink connectivity. Response of the touchscreen is great. Even rear passenger can have a clear visibility of the screen. Bluelink connectivity has 50 features in this ultimate SUV Creta. This car has an air purifier integrated with this armrest and it can be controlled by the app Auto Health Air. There is a little space here to keep your valuable stuff. Navigation system is present in this system. Direction and turn navigation will also be displayed in the instrumental cluster. Now this system is called AVNT system, Audio Video Navigation Telematic System. In every other car you will get AVN system, which is audio, video and navigation. The build quality and the finish of these buttons are really good. It has 8 Bose premium speakers. It has wireless charging option here and also fast charging USB. Reverse parking camera view is also available on the system. This is automatic car and the design of the gear lever is so sporty. The knob is used to change to different drive mode, eco, comfort and sports mode. You can see here the color of the instrumental cluster changes, which I have seen in premium cars. These knobs are here to control ventilation of front seats. The seats of the ultimate SUV Creta are comfortable and looks premium. It has electronically adjustable driver's seat. Looking at the door, it has a premium finish all around. You have this mirror control option, lock and unlock button, all power window control button and child lock button here. A good spacious map pocket to keep your water bottle. This car has an auto day and night mirror, SOS button for emergency, roadside assistant button, Bluelink button. All 3 buttons will connect to call center and address the issue if required. Here is the LED reading light, space to keep your expensive sunglasses. They have 2 sunshades which has no mirror here. The co-passenger side sunshade has mirror as well. Now, one of the major in this ultimate SUV Creta is massive panoramic sunroof. Also, this sunroof can be opened through voice command. In the back seat, it has comfortable seating option. Legroom is good for my height. Headroom is also good. Side windows have this sunshades and chrome finish on the locks. Good map pockets both sides. Floor is completely flat, which is good again. Rear AC vents with red accents look sporty and premium. It has fast charging USB option for rear passengers as well with the space to keep your phone while charging, indeed convenient. It also has this armrest for rear passengers with two cup holders. So the Ultimate SUV has good style, its comfort and convenient. Now let's see the performance and safety of the Ultimate SUV Hyundai Creta. I'm driving 1.4 liter turbo petrol engine with 7-speed DCT. Steering is so light, gives you that premium car drive feel. I'm loving it. It has 3 driving modes: Eco, Comfort and Sports mode. Eco mode is good to drive in city and other modes according to your use. But if you are looking for some performance, Sports mode is the best. In Sports mode, it picks up speed effortlessly. Even the gearbox response is quick. The drive is very smoother than I thought. Transmission between the clutch is good. The gear shifts up smoother in the Eco mode and holds onto the gear in Sports mode. The real game changer is this paddle shifter. The response of the gearbox is amazing in Sports mode. This is quite easy to maneuver in any terrain. It goes around corner much smoother, gives you better control and lots of grip. I don't see much vibration inside the car when you are driving on bumps and potholes. When you are on highway, it has a very good stability at high speeds, which is very good. If you are a long drive traveler, you will love to drive this car, and for the passenger, it's more comfortable than before. When it comes to safety, it has 6 airbags, 2 front, 2 side and 2 curtains. This car is loaded with additional rear disc brakes. It has ABS with EBD electronic brake distribution. It has electronic stability control, vehicle stability control management, and also this car has hill assist control. The overall driving experience and performance of the car is mind-blowing. If you are looking for some fun in drive, the all-new Ultimate SUV Hyundai Creta could be your option. The final verdict here. This car is more stylish, more comfortable and premium. With this wonderful experience, I'm ending this episode here. Please stay connected with Driving Street. We'll see you in next video with new car. Thank you everyone. Please like and share this video. Never miss to click the subscribe button and the bell icon to stay connected.